To listen to a very clean and crystal clear audio, we need something called a headset, so that we can clear the minute sound effects and such things. So I'm going to unbox such kind of headset, so which I bought recently. So this one, the Boat, hold on a minute. So this is a Boat headset which I bought recently. So I'm going to unbox this. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrahtech. So in this channel, I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorial, some tips and trick videos, also unbox videos like this one, and all kind of techie stuff, reviews, all kind of thing. So if you're new here, consider subscribing the channel down below, and if you also subscribe my channel, you can like, comment, share to community, tech community, all kind of things. So technology is the future. So let's start. So this is the headset that I bought recently. I bought this headset for approximately 450 rupees in India. I haven't opened it yet. Just I broke the seal on the shop and checked whether it's working or not. So let me just open it up now. You can see the seal is broken, but I just opened it just to in case check whether it's working or not. If it's not working, so I have to go again and replace it. So I didn't buy it online. It's just an offline thing. So I don't know whether it's available online or not. So let me just open it and show you and test it, a small thing. So you can see this is the headset. As you can see, it's kind of not bad. It's kind of cool. And inside the box, there's nothing is there. So just keep this box away. And you can see that's all about this head. Oh, it just fell off. So this is the headset. It has a kind of long length cable. And you can see that they gave additionally 4 earpieces. I mean 2 set of earpieces, 4 buds. For small adjustable, you can do such things. So let me just keep it one away. And you can see this is the cable. Let me just take it very quietly. Just hold on. It is okay. That's good. So this is the headset. That's all. And in the box, you can see they gave some kind of warranty thing. And they say this product comes with best in industry. And also this it's 1 year warranty, manufacturer warranty. But I'm not sure. So just something they're saying. For warranty claims, contact us or to info at some things. So if you have any issues or any kind of substance thing, you can contact them and claim your warranty. So this is the headset. As you can see, it's not bad. The cable is kind of not much good level, I think. So it's kind of only thin and not bad. It's not kind of braided cable, the braided headset. As you can see in the background, you can see I have stacks upon some boxes here. You can see my box. This was a headset I was using approximately 2 to 3 years continuously. And it was very much super and amazing. But the drawback of this headset is that I'm not saying the drawback. I'm saying my negative point is that this headset is not prepared. I mean, it's not manufactured currently, and it is some kind of out of stock. So I cannot find that one. So I went to my showroom and checked some kind of thing. I didn't feel, and I was not planning to get one. So I went to another shop and bought this Boat headset. So that's the history behind getting this a small incident. So let me just take it out so that you can see the full length of the wire. So the length of the headset is very much small. It is less than a meter. It's approximately 60 to 70 centimeters. So we can't complain about that one. And you can see on the earpieces, the headset is not bad. It's kind of some kind of a tilted so that you can fit inside our ears. So that's a good one. And you can see the logo, the Boat logo here. It's good, not bad. So now let me put the headset and check the testing and some kind of thing. How is its comfort and all such things. So I just placed the headset inside my ears. It's very tight and some kind of it's kind of fit, like 100% fit. And I couldn't hear any noises around. I couldn't even hear the AC noise which is running on the back side. The headset is really cool, and it has some kind of noise isolation, some kind of thing which is perfectly inclined to our ears. So comparing to my previous one, it's kind of good on our ears. And as you can see, they give some kind of rubbery thing which is on this side so that it doesn't tear down very much easily. And also you can see here on this thing, they gave a microphone and like a call key, like it is a pause and play key, which is not that much good in my opinion. There is no plus or minus key, which is very much handy to use in case you're watching. So I that's the main drawback on this one. I feel like that. The another drawback is that as you can see, this cable is some kind of not repellent to the dust. It kind of attracted to dust, because if it keep in very kind of busy place, it absorbs most of the dust and it gets settled down here. So this would be very much drawback, like if you put in a pocket or some kind of gloves or some kind of bags, so it may get easily, very much easy, dirty. So I didn't feel somewhat good on this one. So that's my opinion and that's my experience and that's my first impression on this headset. So now let me do a sound test on this one and check how the sound quality is there. So yeah, the sound quality is good, not bad. I can feel that the bass of the audio, the music or something which I'm hearing is some kind of elevated, so it's kind of like a boom effect which we will observe in some kind of malls, some kind of theaters, like that thing. But yeah, it's good worth for money for 450 rupees. Yeah, I'm not that kind of music guy, so I couldn't explain much about your what is it, the equalizer, such thing. Many people see that, but I'm not into time. Just an unbox and saying my first impression on this one. So that's it. So I will just do a complete review. I'll use this for 6 consecutive months and then check it, and I will say you in upcoming weeks after 6 months like that. So stay tuned by subscribing down. Don't forget to subscribe, because that's the main thing, so that it will be like a support to me. And also follow me in my social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can see the qurrahtech, the channel, everything. So that's all about the complete review on the Boats 122 bass heads. So it's kind of cool. I will not complain it. Yeah, it's worth for the money. So that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. If not, comment below and improve such things. So see you next video. This is Rs.500 from qurrahtech. Bye bye.